that?
He said you scared its nails.
Yeah, I scared that. Flowers. Ha? Ang ganda, oh. Ng flowers. Ayan po, ang ganda ng flowers. Let's go na, be. Umiwas mo sa ano? Sa...
At May.
Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak, oh. Umiwas siya sa aso to. Ang ganda ng mga flowers dito. Ilalim ay mga boat.
No, you
Dito tayo, be. Ladybug. Ang ganda, oh. Lala! Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Ang dami yung mga bulaklak to, no? Ayan, oh. Hindi rin pala makadaan doon sa ano, sa ilalim.
No, she asked me. She said that. No, she asked me.
Loko talaga to si Laura.
Maybe open
Oh, what happened? Ayan, give a flower, be. Si Ladybug. Give one.
I'm not doing it because this holiday next week's cost me lots of money, mate, and it's going to cost me a lot of money when we're there, so we can save some pennies.
A ladybug. Huwag kita pa manimot tuya to. Derby, oh, ano lang. Pakita na gitarain. Ganda ng mga bulaklak, oh. Ha? Ay, wala mo siguro iya. Kung daywa, matakunta na manamit mata. Mga flowers. Ayan. So, abo-abo, taringig ko sa aking t-shirt. Sing jacket gali. Ano be, may ladybug there? Mabuti pa rito, oh, ang daming bulaklak. Up there, oh, Bill. Sisters. Na tayo? Ayun, Biho, doon, Bi, sa palaruan. Why, Bibi? Laking birthday, oh. Hindi, oh. Ginaalok na it. Ano bags? Napatan. Hindi na.
Tayo kasi baka
Oh,
magsarado.
sige.
Pull down yan, yung pull down.
Tingapad ang araw. Ayan. Inside.
So what should I eat?
This one, you have a teddy bear. Where's your things? Teddy bear, Chris? So what happened with your, that's a very old one now. What happened with your makeup? Flew away? I thought you donated to your friend.
Yeah, but I put that's open.
Alright. You want to try this? Be careful with my chicken. Stay close to me.
Dimotong. Sinilaw. Sinilaw.
Kain ng kanin si Madam Ma.
Ay, kumakain siya ng... Ay, may buti. May
Ay, very good.
pagkain.
Well done.
Ginutom na mong kapo. Lumupad ako no ay.
Donate ka niya.
Kaya nga. Ganda ng bulaklak to, no? Oops. Alin yung hinahanap ni Papa mo? Where? Ah, yan ba yun?
Kakain tayo dito eh.
Sige nga, tingnan mo nga.
Yung snail, Laro, ito big one, oh. Big one, Laro.
Snail? Wow, may snail.
Rico, nalulula. Sarado. How many snails you've got? Ah, Laro, this one. Come here. Take it. You take it.
Wow, big. Big snail?
That one there. Harvest siya ng tire. Bigay mo kay lola mo.
Ay, takot akong magbuyot niya.
Para ano.
Ginagupakan ko nga
Snails,
ni.
you know that.
I'm not scared.
I scared, Laura.
Snail.
Loves snail.
Guys, you want?
Ah,
I picked a snail for my first time and I was scared to pick one.
be may
But
see.
now I picked one.
Kanan.
Yuck!
Yake.
Mama, it's bubbling. Huh? Bubbling. Snail is bubbling.
Yes, of course you're bubbling.
Why? See what?
Po kabayan, ito daw yung flower na tong kinakain. Ayan po yung bulak. Ang dami. Parang ano, parang litos. Ayan, yung bulak, yung ano niya,
That's why I'm trying to sell it before it
yung
renews.
dahon.
Then it runs out.
Sabi ni Aisa eh, kinakain daw po. Ang ganda. Ang daming snail dito. Ano? Sumayaw. Nag-dance pa si baby.
There.
Ay, kabaabo. Ito na nag-tindin. Be.
26.
Ay, lintik. Naku, si Laura na to. Ay, yan na. Nasapak na unaras nila. Yan na. Ay, si Aisa, umahawak din pala nito.
Okay, tayo naman snail. Ano? Kinakain nga yan?
Ali.
Oh, let's go. Do you want to put it here so they can crawl a
Oh,
little
it's
bit
nice
longer?
there.
No.
Okay, go hold it.
Ayan yung kinakain.
Lola!
Yes. No, be. No, be.
Lola, Lola is very
No, be.
scared
No,
of
be.
that.
Where it's going?
Ah, ito.
Don't
What is
know.
the name nito, be? Asparagus?
Sea kale.
Ah, sikil pala. Sikil pala yung pangalan nito. Ito pala yung bulaklak niyan. Kinakain daw po ito.
Yung bago ito, ganito parang asparagus daw ito kinain mo.
Buo na to.
Pwede mo kainin yan, yung bagong tubo.
Whoa, it's nibbling.
Is it?
Ano
It's
daw
trying to
yung
get out, Laura.
Kainin. Itong bagong tubo. Ayan
Oy,
po.
Laura, don't drop it like
Ayan yung
that.
violet.
You didn't have I saw it.
Gasnel hunting daw silang
Yeah,
mag-ina.
because they love it today.
Yeah, that one is squeaky. We got enough pet. Take them down if they're gonna escape. Oh, look, Laura, I got a big to them.
Hey,
Laura, look.
ay, lintig na.
Yay!
Ayaw, nagagapang. Di karon pa. Meron pa dyan.
We have a lot of snails. Snails gonna get out.
Ay, Laura, naghawak. Laura.
Laura, just shake it down.
Ang ganda. Ayan, oh, ang dami, oh.
Shell and then bring it down.
Daming snail, oh.
Saan?
Ayun, oh, yun, oh,
Laura,
sa
this
bulaklak.
one,
Ayun,
come.
oh, sa bulaklak. Ayan.
Take this, Laura.
Naku, 2 piraso. Diyos
It's
ko,
too
Lord.
far. You cannot reach.
Mama, it's getting.
Okay, you just hold it on the thing and then you take it out.
Ang dami palang snail dito sa kabulakan na to. Ano?
Poppy.
Ayan ba yung happy na flower?
Don't put it here because you're gonna crawl.
Ayan yung red happy flowers. Happy flowers. Ayan, ang ganda rin. Di ba ito kinakain din?
Ay, lahat yan. Kainin natin lahat.
Ha?
Kainin natin lahat. They're all gone now.
Baka tumirik lahat ka ng mata. Ay, margarita. Oh. It's nice. Oh. Ay, wala na. Ay, margarita. Ang ganda.
Ah, yung ano.
Ay, namigay still. Ano ba yan, Laura?
Lucky, lucky.
Gary, still.
Oo, yan na.
Do you want to get one snail?
She's offering the pet.
Go, Mama.
Go down.
Mama!
Mama. Go, Mama.
Gary.
Eh,
Gary.
Gary. The girl as well. One. You got the sister.
Wanna.
She said she wanted.
tuwa rin yung isa.
Take a snail.
Yeah, but you said you have loads.
I will give you. I will have.
Ganda ng mga bulaklak ding, ha? Ganda ng flowers ding, ha?
That's I don't.
Marunong mata.
Gary.
Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda ng flowers.
It's in Wanna.
You have to
Eh, yarong taro.
hold it like that. because
Kakadiri
it's
talaga
clingy.
sa Laura na
You
to.
have to give a little bit of force.
Mama, it's in Wanna.
So if you cannot look after these plants, so better don't take them as your pet.
Mama.
You not look after them.
Taiwan ko sa'yo, Laura. Nakakadiri talaga.
No.
I'm just holding it.
Ang ganda ng flowers.
Michelle,
My teacher said.
yeah, that's why. You need to be gentle.
Mama, look, that's so cute. They're
Are
kissing
they?
Saan yung kinakain? Doon? Tanan.
Couldn't get it.
Naano mo ba yan? Na,
Oh, yucky,
kagaya sa
yuck.
sinabi mo?
Yucky, yuck.
Yucky.
Ah,
Kinakain.
Hey, Mama. Mama.
stay on the path.
Mama.
Ayan, ang ganda talaga ng flowers. Ayan. What?
Oh, papi mo. Maganda na siya pag bumukha na.
Ito, kinakain.
Pakiramdam ko lang ngayon lahat.
Ay, ang ganda dito, Ning, oh. Iganyan mo, oh.
Okay lang na
She
siya.
didn't want one.
Oh, ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Ayan.
Mama, it's pooping a lot.
Lumabas.
Just standing by the car.
Ito kinakain din.
San.
Ginagawa siyang gawin mo. Pwede mo siyang gawin flour.
Ang daming flowers. Ayan. Aron nyo tanag. Payangkas at aron.
Your pet's name, what's the name?
They got pearl.
Ay, lupot. Ang ganda. Abi, may besi. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Naka-recover na tayo.
Ayan po.
And my love, darling.
Tapos na yung pamasyal natin. Sana.
Stay tuned. Matutulog na yan si Madam.
So, paki-subscribe and share. Thank you very much.